You've spent thousands of dollars on ads. You're driving traffic to your website and then nothing happens. Visitors land and they bounce. And you're left wondering where the money went. Here's the truth. It's not your ads that are broken. It's your landing page. Today, I am breaking down the exact structure you need to turn visitors into customers, backed by data of over 41,000 landing pages. Let's go. Now, the average landing page converts at about 6.6%. But here's what's wild. The top performers are hitting 10, 15, and even 20% conversion rate. The gap, it's not luck, it's structure. Most landing pages are built backwards. They throw features at the visitors, mention their company's history, add navigation menus, and hope something sticks. But visitors don't care about any of that. They land with one question in mind. What's in it for me? If you do not answer that question within seconds, you lost them. And research shows that 81% of visitors will abandon your form if they feel it's too much work. Your landing page is breaking conversions everywhere. But here's the good news. There's a proven structure that works, and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. This is a framework that top performers use. Master this and you'll get immediate results. Step 1 is the hero section. Your hero is the first conversation you have with your visitor, and you have 3 seconds to make an impression. First, grab attention with a compelling headline that speaks directly to their pain, not your pain point, theirs. Nothing like, we've been in business for 20 years. Think more like, your groceries deliver in 15 minutes. Or, launch your online store in minutes. Second is a clear headline that communicates your value proposition. This is your elevator pitch. It explains why someone should care about what you're offering. Third, pair this too with high-quality images and videos that support your message. Visuals are processed 60,000 times faster than text. Use them to reinforce, not to distract. Keep your hair section clean. White space is your friend. Designers often fear white space, but visitors love it. It makes your message stand out and your page feels trustworthy and professional. Step 2, address the problem. Now that you've brought their attention, it's time to go deeper. Your second section should articulate exactly the problem that your user is experiencing. You need to make them feel seen. This isn't about you yet. It's about validating their frustration. When visitors see themselves in your message, something happens. They stop scrolling and they pay attention. They actually read. They feel understood. Step 3, show your solution. Once you have identified the problem, present your solution. But here's the key. Don't list features, list benefits. Instead of advanced analytic dashboards, maybe use something like, see exactly what's driving your revenue in 60 seconds. It's not about what you build, it's about what the customer gets. Many brands skip this step completely. Step 4 is your social proof. Here's the truth about trust. People buy brands they know, like, and trust. And one of the fastest ways to build trust is showing that other people like you, already benefited from it. This section should include testimonials, case studies, user reviews, or numbers. For example, over 50,000 businesses use our platform. That would be a social proof. A video of a customer saying, this saved us $40,000 a year. That is even better. The more specific the proof, the more credible it feels. Use real names, real companies, real numbers, real results. Step 5 is your CTAs. Your CTA is the moment of truth. Everything leads here. First, keep it focused. Landing pages with just one CTA generate over 266% over landing pages that have multiple CTAs. One button, one goal, no distractions. Second, make it benefit focused, not action focused. Instead of submit, how about get my demo, start my free trial, show them what they're getting, not just what they're doing. Third, make it prominent and easy to click. It should stand out visually. Ideally, use a different color than the rest of the website, usually the accent color of your branding. And here's the thing, don't just put it in a button. Your CTA should appear multiple times across the user experience. After the hero, after the problem, after the solution, on the footer. Every time a visitor is ready to convert, your CTA should be there waiting. Step 6 is the FAQ section. frequently asked questions. At this point, visitors have questions. Answer them before they bounce to a competitor. What's your refund policy? How long does the setup take? Is there a free trial? Do you offer customer support? An FAQ section removes friction. It tells visitors, we've thought about your concerns and we have answers for you. Pages with FAQ see higher conversion rates than pages without them because they eliminate the final objection that keeps people from converting. And step 7 is optimize your form for conversion. Every field you add adds friction. Limit your form to maximum 5 fields, depending on what you're selling. First name, last name, email, phone number, and maybe a 5th one. That's it. You can collect more information later. And make sure your form clearly explains what happens next. Fill out the form and our team is gonna reach out to you to schedule a free demo. Transparency removes the anxiety. Your form is often the final conversion barrier. Make it frictionless and you'll see your conversion rate jump immediately. Now here's the thing. These 7 steps are the structure, but there are 3 critical optimization principles that apply to all of them. These are the things that make the entire page perform better, and often they're overlooked. The principle number 1 is the page speed. Every single second your page takes to load costs you 7% on conversion drop. Let me repeat that. 1 second equals 7% lost in revenue. Pages that load under 1 second convert 3 times higher than pages that take 5 seconds. If you're making $100,000 a month from your landing page and you reduce the load time from 5 seconds to 2 seconds, you're adding $21,000 in revenue from your landing page conversions. That's not a design detail, that's a profit center. Compress your images, remove unnecessary scripts, use CDN servers. Speed is non-negotiable. The principle number 2 is mobile-first design. 83% of landing page visitors happen on a mobile device. But here's a problem. Mobile converts 8% lower than desktop. Don't just make your page responsive. Actually design for mobile first. Test how your page looks on a phone. Is your CTA clickable with a thumb? Is your copy readable without zooming in? Is your CTA available and visible on a mobile phone? Some top brands actually separate the experiences of their landing pages. They have a full version for desktop and another one for mobile, which is usually shorter in content, and lightning fast. Both are optimized for their medium. The principle number 3 is visual hierarchy and white space. A landing page should feel good the moment someone lands on it. Not overwhelming, not cluttered, just clean and easy on the eyes. Use plenty of breathing room between your sections. Don't cram everything together. White space helps your message stand out and makes your page feel easy to read and trustworthy. Through all 7 steps, maintain a clear visual hierarchy. The most important elements should stand out visually. Secondary information should recede. This makes your landing page scannable and reduces cognitive load for your visitors. So here's the complete 7-step structure for a high-performing landing page from top to bottom. Step 1, hero section with clear headlines, sub-headlines, and supportive imagery. Step 2 is problem statements that validate your visitors' pain. Step 3 is solution sections, highlighting benefits, not features. Step 4 is social proof, testimonials, case studies, numbers, results. Step 5 is calls to action that are prominent, benefit-focused, and strategically placed across the site. Step 5 is the FAQs to eliminate any final objections. And step 7, optimize forms with minimum fields and clear next steps. Across all 7 steps, remember, mobile-first optimization, fast load times, clear visual hierarchies, and plenty of white space. And here's the thing, this is not theoretical. Unbounce analyzed 41,000 landing pages and found that top performers consistently follow this structure and framework. This framework works, and now you know exactly how to implement it. If this video was useful for you, share, follow, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.